Hi students, how are you? In 7th standard there is a lesson named उनके मुनके टिम्पे 2. So guys, start करने से पहले आप मेरे चैनल को फटाफट सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं उनके मुनके टिम्पे 2. It will be a fantastic birthday this year, I said in a mocking tone. All I will get is a pair of shoes and a hand-knitted pullover. I had asked for a table tennis set, but my mother said it is totally out of the question this year. Means guys, वो लड़का एक मौके पर बोलता है आज ये पूरे साल मेरा फैंटास्टिक बर्थडे आ रहा है यार, तो मुझे एक शूज और हैंड नाइटेड पुलोवर और एक टेबल टेनिस का सेट चाहिए. बट उसकी मम्मी रहती है, बोलती है ये तो बात अभी करना है मत पूरे साल में. My friend Mook looked at me thoughtfully. He drew a bit closer and said, "Well, Rohan, I don't say I believe in it, but my cousin said it works and there is no harm trying it." "Don't you think?" "Trying what?" I asked. "Well," my cousin said, "if you really want something badly, all you have to do is to run around a banyan tree at midnight and chant 17 times Unke Munke Timpe 2. I desperately wanted my wish to come true. Still I asked, why 17 times and why at midnight? "Don't ask me," replied Mook. "Who was my best friend? That is how it is done, I suppose. Why not try it? It would not do any harm." I thought it was all nonsense. Besides, I couldn't think of any banyan tree in our neighborhood. नेबरहुड यानी कि आसपास, ठीक है, मोहल्ले में क्या कोई बैंयन ट्री नहीं है उसके. There was one in old Mrs. Gruver's garden. But at midnight, Mrs. Gruver had been the principal of a school till last year. मतलब गाइस जो मिसेस ग्रूवर होती है वो इन लोग की प्रिंसिपल होती है लास्ट ईयर की स्कूल की, ठीक है. One look from her piercing pale green eyes was enough to silence bullies. Like Rinku Lal of class 9. I had seen it happen with my own eyes. Forget it, I said. However, the thought kept haunting me till the day before my birthday, and I just could not think of anything else. "Okay," I said to Mook. "If you come along with me, I will go to Mrs. Gruver's garden tonight and do it." "Why should I come along?" asked Mook. "I have no secret wish. Come on, let us go and wish for my table tennis set." So at 10 minutes to 12, Mook and I met at the back of old Mrs. Gruver's garden. We climbed and sat on the boundary wall. We looked down into the garden, which lay dark and silent in the dim light of the moon, and there was a banyan tree, its aerial roots swaying in the gentle breeze of the night. We jumped down and reached the tree and looked around carefully. "Imagine if she's awake," I whispered and pointed at Mrs. Gruver's house. "Nobody is awake at this ghostly hour of the night." "Hissed Mook, "Now get going, run." I ran as fast as I could, chanting Unke Munke Timpe 2. I wish. ठीक है. My wish is coming true over and over again. I felt a bit scared. That was why I tried to get it over quickly and increased my speed. I increased the chanting too. And all the while I went on listening to the sounds of the night. A crackle, a swish there. Suddenly, a ferocious bark tore the stillness of the night. I froze inside Mrs. Gruver's house. Lights flashed on and the back door was pushed open. "Who is there?" called Mrs. Gruver. "Answer or I will send the dog." "Dog? Wow." "At you, Mook, I mumbled. "Say something," but Mook was climbing up the door. When I saw Mrs. Gruver bent down to unlatch the dog, I plead, please don't send the dog at us. I will explain everything if you let me. Speak out soon, Mrs. Gruber shouted. I told her everything. I feared. She might not believe me, but she listened to me without interruption. इंटरप्शन मतलब गाइस किसी को बोलते रहना पर कभी रोकने का नहीं, ठीक है, उसको इंटरप्शन बोलते हैं. She just looked at me with the heart-like green eyes of hers, as if she was trying to see right into my heart. So she asked finally, "And you believe in unke munke timpe too? Do you think it will help?" I dropped my head and said softly, "I hope it will." "Well," she returned, "if you believe so, go and finish your rounds." She turned saying, "And while leaving, would you mind using the front gate?" I did, finished the remaining 6 rounds and left her garden using the front gate. I swore that I would never return. And then the great moment came. I opened my eyes, gift rejoiced over my new pair of shoes and the hand-knitted pullover. And then my eyes fell on the parcel, a big parcel. I had never received such a big parcel earlier. To Rohan Khanna. I read from Unke Munke Timpe too. I stared at Muk and he looked as surprised as I was. My mother asked, "Who is Unke Munke Timpe too?" "Isn't that an unusual name?" Yes, I said. "Very unusual indeed." I bent over the parcel and began to unpack it. I removed the string and the paper impatiently. Finally, I removed the colorful gift wrapping and found a table tennis set. It was not a brand new table tennis set, but it was a fabulous one. "Wow," I whispered. Just wow. Till today, Muk swears he has nothing to do with it. And so my parents, I wondered if old Mrs. Gruber was responsible for the surprise. I wondered for a very long time. One day, I gathered up all the courage I possessed and went to meet Mrs. Gruber. I used the front gate and rang the bell. I had gone over my lines 100 times, but when she looked down on me with her pale green eyes, I felt my heart sink and my courage vanish. All I could do was shudder like an idiot. "Good afternoon, madam. Do you? I mean it. Do you have you? Sorry. But do you believe in Unke Munke Timpe too?" Mrs. Gruber continued to look at me with a strange look in her eyes. She replied softly but seriously, "Yes, I do believe in Unke Munke Timpe too. I had wished to have somebody over for a tea today, and here you are. Now isn't it a perfect example of Unke Munke Timpe too?" She smiled and she looked so different, almost human. From that day onwards, Muk and I went to see old Mrs. Gruber quite often. Not only because she made the best tea and had the best cookies. No, we went because we liked her. And then we had one thing in common. We all believe in Unke Munke Timpe too. By Sigrun Srivastava from Some More Short Stories. Guys, it's very, very, very nice lesson. You can come this in your स्कूल ऑल्सो. बहुत अच्छा लेसन है, बहुत अच्छा लेसन है, बहुत यूजफुल है. गाइस, वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना. बाय.